Welcome to Poor Decisions with Penny and Jeff.
I'm Penny.
I'm Jeff.
It's happy hour. Thank God, because I'm parched.
It's Mojito night.
Woo! I love Mojito night.
But the first thing we need to do is crush some ice.
Crush some ice.
Yeah. So I got this handy dandy new canvas bag and this ice crushing mallet. So we're going to give it a whirl.
Okay. In case your refrigerator doesn't make crushed ice.
Well, it's never, the refrigerator stuff it's really uneven. It's not, it's not crushed enough.
Okay.
Some whole cubes, some.
All right.
So we're just going to give this a whack. These are actually some big square cubes that were. Check that out.
Mm-hmm. Yep. You should show them, not me.
I'm going to.
Okay. I feel like you were getting out a little aggression there.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. Actually, that works really good.
Okay, good.
And I feel better.
I hope so. Show them what the.
Oh.
Yeah. Because it's hard to see when you
crushed them up pretty
look how
good.
crushed that is. It did in fact crush the ice, and it should, because this is a wooden mallet.
Made in China, I'm pretty sure.
Found that on Amazon, did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And these were probably made by 13-year-old Bangladeshi
Oh, geez.
children.
We'll try not to think about that while we have our drink.
All right. So first thing we're gonna make 3 versions of a mojito. First
Love
one.
that for us.
I do. First one, we're going to do kind of a regular mojito. A white rum, lime juice, simple syrup, some mint, and,
Oh, yeah.
and the salt life.
Our new favorite
This is
thing.
my 20% salt solution. Couple drops just makes it work.
It's like baking without salt. Like if you're making a batch of cookies or baking some.
Yeah, you're baking something sweet and you don't put any salt in there. It's just like
It's the
just
balance
sweet.
thing. It
There's no-
brings out the flavors. It brings out the balance, and you taste the rest of the stuff.
True story.
Chocolate chips, for example.
Exactly. All right, so the mojito, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. This is a semi-rich, so 1.5 to 1
1.5
sugar.
parts sugar to 1 part,
1 part
water. And you
Yep.
just, to make that, if you've never done it, you just put it in a little pot on the stove, heat it until it dissolves, stir
Yep.
it up,
Yeah,
and
doesn't
then turn it off.
Doesn't
the
have
heat.
to boil or anything.
Yep.
You just heat it up. And 1.5 to 1 keeps a little bit longer than a 1 to 1 syrup in the refrigerator. Just keep it in the refrigerator.
Do you use less of it too than if
Yeah.
if a recipe calls for simple
Yeah.
syrup, then
Yeah.
you would use a little less?
Yep. This one I think came out pretty good at 3/4 of an ounce. So,
Okay.
And we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 1 to 1.
Okay, and that's fresh squeezed. 'Cause
Fresh squeezed
of course
lime
it is.
juice. Yes.
Yeah.
That's the only way.
Life's too short to not drink the good stuff.
Exactly. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of white rum. This is just Bacardi.
Well,
White.
we're not using the good stuff for that because
No.
we didn't get to town.
I know.
And the Siesta Key rum is not available in Iowa. So
True.
when we get back to Florida,
We
we'll
do
be
like our Siesta Key.
having that.
And this is my 20% salt solution. So it's just 20 grams of salt to 80 grams of water. Dissolve.
Okay.
Put it in a dropper. And I do 2 drops.
Do you need a dropper?
It works better.
Yeah.
It's really hard
easier.
to measure if you don't.
Yeah,
'cause
you might
doesn't-
get too much.
Yeah, you get more than 2 drops and you'll taste the salt. And
Yeah,
you'll
you don't
taste
want that.
Right. All right, and then we need some mint leaves. So I
Mint's
went out
going
and got
crazy
some
in the
nice
garden.
big mint leaves. So I'm going to do 6
Look at
big.
how pretty these are. I'm going to show you. Look at those. Look at them. There.
Yeah.
Yummy.
So I'm going to do 6 big ones. If you have smaller ones, you can do 10, whatever. I'm not even going to muddle this. I'm just going to put that in the shaker, and we're going to get the other ice.
Oh, yep. I put it away so it stay cold.
Yep.
It's very hot today. Summer.
These are just smaller cubes of ice to help bruise the mint a little bit when we shake it. That's all we're trying to do is bruise it.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
I don't know. Okay.
get those mint leaves bruised a little bit.
And you're using like a bartender's style
Yeah,
shaker
this is
tonight.
a glass and a tin, and they make 10 and 10, and that's probably what I want to get.
Did you notice our fancy schmancy bar mats?
Yeah.
So I don't freak out over the sticky stuff on the counter.
Okay.
I love that.
We're going to go into a tall glass, a Collins glass.
Okay. Mojito glass, if you will.
And since the leaves didn't really break up too much, I like to stick a couple leaves right in the bottom of the glass. And then we're going to come in with some crushed ice.
You missed one.
Top
Soda.
of the little club soda.
Garnish with a little mint.
Little sprig of mint on top.
So cute. Ah, nice. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Pretty. Okay, so that's mojito number 1. Very pretty. What's
All right.
next?
Mojito number 2.
Keep them coming. We're
We're going to do the same thing, except this time we're going to use ginger syrup. So I just made ginger syrup. I made a 1.5 to 1 sugar syrup, and then sliced up ginger. And that I think I had.
about this, a piece this big-ish.
Yeah. Just slice
Yeah,
it up
about
really
3
thin
inches.
and let it steep in it after while it's warm, and then I left it set overnight in a jar and then just strained it off of that. So we'll see how that works.
Okay, so just infuses the ginger in
Yep.
there.
All right, so we're going to pour this ginger syrup first so it cleans the jar out a little bit. We're going to go 3/4 of that.
Okay, I'm not sure anybody can see that, but that's 3/4 of an ounce.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. All right, we're going to do, not forget the rum. 1.5 ounces of rum.
Yeah, 1.5 ounces. Okay.
Can do our couple drops of salt life.
That goes
I
in
guess I
there.
don't really need to put it in there, do I? Measured out just perfect. That is 1/100th of an ounce. All right.
Give or take.
We need mint. So, 6 big leaves.
6 big leaves, all right.
We're gonna put some bigger ice cubes in
So the only difference of this basically is that you used a ginger syrup
instead of the simple syrup.
instead of simple.
Yep.
Okay.
Only difference.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, which glass you want? This one?
Sure.
Okay. It doesn't look like very much.
It doesn't. This glass might be a little big for this particular recipe. You might have to add more rum. This is probably a drink and a half glass.
Fitsy sized.
Yep. It's the way we like them. Yeah, probably don't want to fill that one all the way up.
Looks good. Garnish. Okay, thank you. See this one? Very pretty, the garnish. Yep. Not a ton of difference.
No, the ginger's not really pronounced. Mm-hmm. Maybe a little more ginger syrup in there.
You could
help
top
it.
this off instead of with club soda, use ginger beer.
Oh, for sure.
That would make it more gingery.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would
Or-
love that.
Bump up the ginger syrup and the
And the
lime juice to
lime.
an ounce.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. Yummy.
That's probably what I would do on that size drink.
Yeah, it depends on what you're going for. If you want more ginger, you could do either one. Add more.
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
Now what we got?
Now, we're going to do a pineapple
Pineapple.
mojito. And we're going to keep things consistent with the rum.
Okay.
An ounce and a half.
And simple syrup.
We're going to put a little simple syrup in, but we'll wait till the end for
Okay.
that. I'm going to go an ounce and a half of pineapple juice.
Okay.
So that's going to sweeten it up partially. And then we just need like 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. A couple bar spoons would be fine too.
And this is, you could tweak this if you want it
Oh,
sweeter. Put a little more in.
Yep. Oh, we need 3/4 of our lime juice. That probably did not change.
Okay.
2 drops of the salt life. And mint leaves.
And yum. Ooh. I just pulled out a rocks glass for this one.
Yeah. Mix it up.
It's pretty.
There. That's about the right amount of club soda.
Just a splash.
Just a
for
splash.
color. It's got plenty of juice in it to be
Right.
not
That
so
helps a little
woozy.
bit. Mint spray.
Very pretty.
Okay, get up.
All right. See that one. All right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's the breakfast of champions right there.
Yeah, a little more
You could start your day with that.
volume-wise is a little better than that. That one glass is a little big, but
So pretty. Okay, mojitos 3 ways: regular, ginger syrup, and pineapple. Pineapple.
and that one.
Quick aside here, pull that glass
Oh,
ice bucket in there. Any of my traveling vineyard friends recognize this baby? First time I've used it. Possibly the only. All right,
works
that's
good.
it. Cheers, friends. You need a drink too. Which one you want? That one?
Sure.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers.